guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It is Leash That Girl. Thank you for tuning in. Today is my first YouTube channel that I'm putting out there. I'm so excited. I've literally been putting this off for ages and lots of people have been telling me to do it. You know when you've just been holding something off? But I decided, you know what, just make a video, get it on there and get it done. I'm gonna do a quick intro just to let you guys know who I am, what I'm about and why I'm doing a YouTube. So my name is Alicia, hence the name Leash That Girl. Everyone calls me Leash. I'm 26 years old. I am from Birmingham, but I currently live in Worcester. Worked in the makeup industry for 5 years. For 4 years I worked for Urban Decay. Now do something completely different. I went to university for marketing and I'm now doing a student placement for a year. And then basically last year I started doing a few videos on Instagram, just doing videos of tutorials. And then I kind of let it die down, but now I thought, you know what, I actually enjoyed doing them, so I'm just going to start up again. So if you see my Instagram, which is Leash That Girl, you'll see my Insta videos on there, so you can check those out. So on my YouTube channel, we're doing makeup tutorials. I sprinkle a little bit of fashion on there and a little bit of travel blogging as well. I'm going to have a little crack at that. That's a little bit about me. And now I'm going to tell you what this video is going to be about. So it's going to be about drugstore products which are affordable, good quality and easy to use. And I'm going to show you how to do it. So keep watching if you would like to see how I obtained this look right here. Don't go anywhere. So I'm going to start off using Bodescu Rose Water. I'm just going to use this to spray my face with and just rejuvenate and hydrate my skin, because I do find that my skin feels really tight and it is quite dry, so this just helps to just loosen up your skin, if that's the word, loosen up your skin, yeah, just to hydrate it. Always smells so nice, that sort of like rosemary kind of scent. This camera is always just like, you don't want to look here because I can see myself here, but then I need to look here because that's where you guys are. So I want this look to be full coverage but still have a little bit of a luminosity to it. So next up I'm going to use Nip+Fab's Liquid Gold, and I'm going to use this as a primer. I'm going to just apply this on the face before the foundation. You can use this and mix it with your moisturiser, or you can mix it with your foundation too if you want that more of a glossy sort of luminous finish, but I'm just going to use it as a base first, and also you can use it as a highlighter on top of the foundation too. Wait, hold on, I need to get the mirror in the right place. Okay, mirror is in position. My mirror is down here, so if you see me looking down here, you know why. A little bit on the forehead, a little bit here, here and here. And now I'm going to buff it in using Urban Decay's Optical Illusion buffing brush. And just doing like so. Okay. Today's look, we're going to go full coverage with NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop in Mocha. And this is going to be a matte finish. However, because we put on the primer, which is going to give you a little bit of a luminosity, so it doesn't look too overly matte. You know what I'm saying? Again, going in with the same brush from Urban Decay. I'm just going to pop that on there like so. And we're just going to literally buff that in. And first I'm going to use patting motions where I'm just stippling it into the skin. And then afterwards I'm just going to use circular motions. So we've finished up our base and now we are going on to a bit of highlighting and contouring. So today's products I am going to be using to highlight the 16-hour Camo concealer from e.l.f. It's full coverage. I love how the product has a really big tip on it, so you can how this product has a large applicator, so it's just easy to swipe along the areas that you want to highlight. And then to contour, I'm going to go in with the Revolution foundation stick in F18. It's got a creamy texture which helps it to just blend in and easily to buff out for when I'm doing the contouring. So let's go. And then I'm going to do the forehead as well. Down the bridge of my nose. Just only a tiny amount on the nose area. I'm going to blend out my concealer using the Real Technique sponge. Now I'm going to contour my forehead, the temples, and then we are going to do here and here. So guys, I'm going to go off the record right now. The next two products I'm going to use aren't from the drugstore. They're not that affordable, but unfortunately I didn't have affordable powders to use for this look. So to do a bit of baking, just to set underneath our eyes, next products I'm going to use is the HUDA Beauty in KUNAFA. KUNAFA, yeah, that is how you say it. Personally, I don't like to bake for too long. I just like to apply it on just to give it more of a flawless sort of finish, and then I just buff it up. As I said before, this product is not going to be from the drugstore. I do apologise, but I'm going to be using MAC NC45. I'm going to use this to just buff in where we've done a bit of highlighting, just to make sure everything just looks nice and blended and flawless. I feel like I'm using the word flawless quite a lot in this video, but hey ho. Now for a bronzer, I'm going to use the COVERGIRL bronzer in Ebony Bronze. This product I absolutely love, and I've literally got that much left of the product, but it's so good for like darker skin if you want that kind of blondie effect without using like a really dark powder. So I'm going to take the MAC contour brush in 168 and we're just going to buff this in, well, from what I can get out of it. So next up is brows, and we're going to be using NYX Precision Pencil. We're literally just going to fill them in, and then we're going to use a bit of concealer just to neaten them up. Guys, I'm going to keep this look really nice and simple because I want this to be something that you can create your own leisure. It can be a daytime look that you can create for work or just out for shopping or jeans and nice top day. So I'm going to be using the Soph Does Nail palette from Makeup Revolution. This palette is £10. It is a no-brainer. I got this from Superdrug. If you're a student, you can get student discount on it at Superdrug as well. So I'm going to do a warm gold, soft, easy glam kind of look. Start off by priming my lids using the Makeup Revolution Cut Crease Canvas. I use the shade Etch. This is the darkest shade out of the 4 bases that they do. So I'm literally just going to use a concealer brush and apply that over the lids and then pat it in. So I'm going to start off taking this colour here called Running Late, which is a nice orangey colour. And I'm literally going to get my fluffy brush and I'm just going to blend that into the crease area. And then I'm going to go in with a fluffy brush just to soften out the edges with the colour Cookie Dough, which is this colour here. The colour Cheesecake, which is like a sort of burgundy colour. And we're just going to date that on the outer V of the eyelid, just to deepen the colour. Next, I'm going to go back in with the Cut Crease Canvas and we're just going to apply that across the lid. This is just to help the eyeshadow just to stick on a little bit better. So we're literally just going to apply it. And I'm just going to pat it out just so it blends in nicely. And then back in with the colour Cheesecake and we're just going to literally just buff it back in. I'm literally just going to take my finger and just dip it into the colour Dreams, which is that lovely goldy colour here. And I'm going to pat it onto the eyelids. And when I say I'm just going to pat it in so we're not dragging it across the eyelid. and then just buffing back in just so it looks nice and soft. For underneath the eyes, I'm going to use the colour Cheesecake. I'm going to take the Moondust brush from Urban Decay. Just take it underneath the eye. I have to pull this face because how can you do it underneath your eyes without pulling that face? Literally. So we're nearly done with the eyes. We're going to pop on the mascara and a bit of lashes. I love using this mascara just for every day. It really helps to plump and lift your lashes. So I'm going to be applying this to the top and bottom lashes, but I am going to be popping false ones on as well. I'm going to be using my favourite lashes, which are the Eylure 141s. So I'm going to be popping my lashes on off camera and I will be back in a minute. So we've got the lashes on, we are ready to rock and roll with some highlighter, and then we're going to finish off with a nice glossy nude lip. I'm going to use the new Makeup Revolution Shook highlighter. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll see that I've been using this a lot in my videos. I absolutely love this palette. 6 different highlighter colours which you can mix together to make different kind of colours. So I'm going to go in with the 2 goldy colours here. A little stubby brush that I got with the Naked Smoky palette, which I just always use this for the inside of my eyes, and I'm going to be taking the paler colour from the Shook palette. I'm just going to use that to highlight inside the eye. Now to end this makeup look, I'm going to use the Nip+Fab Illuminating Fixing Mist. I'm going to use this because it gives your skin more of a glowy finish. We want our skin to look hydrated and glowy, but we also want it to last all day. So I'm literally just going to pop this on and give it a little shake. Guys, this is the finished look. We have done an affordable drugstore makeup look that you can use for every day. I feel like this look is something that you could wear to work, or you could wear it wherever you want to wear makeup. Wherever you want to wear makeup, you wear it, boo. You do you, boo. Okay. I want you guys at home to be able to try this look and maybe do it in a different way, or using different colours within the palette and tailor it to how you want to use it, or you can just follow what I did. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this look today. I hope you learned some new things. I hope I sparked a little bit of inspiration for you guys. Maybe you have the palette at home and you don't know what you want to do with it. So if you like this video, let me know in the comments any drugstore products you'd like me to use in the future, any ones that you recommend. Hit subscribe if you'd like to see more of these videos, and thank you for tuning in. It's Leash That Girl and signing out. See you soon. Oh my, picked up the wrong flipping shade. Can you go downstairs? Can you go downstairs, please? Okay, next up is position. It's pink. Products that were affordable.